Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with another video. Today we are featuring LuvMe Hair. Shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. So unfortunately when I was editing, I lost the clip. Taking it out of the package, putting the wig on my head, showing you the inside construction. It's completely gone. So I will show you what the wig looks like brand new with clips from the website, and then we will jump into the video where I have the rest of the clips. Let's get into this look. So today we have a 360 wig. I haven't done a 360 in a while, so yeah, it's been a long time. So this is a 360 pre-bleached, pre-plucked, silky straight wig. So this is what she looks like right out of the package. This is what you get. The hair is super shiny. The hair is dark. We love that. This gives off a natural black color, which saves you from having to color the hair when you get the hair. I would still suggest to go in and co-wash this hair prior to styling her. So now I've realized that the wig has been styled, pre-styled in a side part, so that's what we're going to start off with. I will just give the part a little more of a curve because lately I've really been liking side parts with a curve to it. So we're going to redefine the part. I do clean up the part a little bit in this portion of the video, and then I will try to lay the hair down flat. So for the first style, we will be wearing her silky straight. This is what she looks like with the deep side part. It's really pretty. This hair is very soft, and the density of this hair is perfect for a 360 because it's not too heavy. So I do like that. So I didn't do any baby hairs with this, but you can pull some hair out and add baby hairs, especially if you feel more comfortable with the baby hairs. I do what works for you. So you can part this hair anywhere throughout the front of the 360. That's another thing that I like about these 360s. You kind of get like a 13 by 6 space, so you can part it anywhere, left, right, center, deep side part, whatever you decide, you can do that with this. So for the second style, I decided to do like a half up, half down, and then we added some curls to this. And I do like that this hair is a silky straight texture, but you can still curl her. So that's what we did for the second look.
You got it, baby girl, I know you got it. Good vibes with a Hennessy round you. Outside, where you go without it. Oh, you say it's alright. You know I need a closure. I needed you to come over. Love me like you're supposed to. Oh, everything I say, you know I do. Don't know why you're running from me. Got me out here looking like a fool. Can't believe that you and me are through.
So overall, I really like this hair. I haven't had any, like, when it comes to LuvMe hair, it's always a good experience. I do think this is the second 360. I think I reviewed a 360 from LuvMe hair like years ago. I'm gonna try to find that video. If it's not private, I will link that video towards the end of this video because yes, years ago I did a body wave 360 wig from LuvMe hair. I did not have to tint this lace. This lace was pre-bleached, pre-plucked, basically give you a wig that's ready to wear. And we love that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can take something away from this video. All the products that I used will be linked down in the description box. Shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't going with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.